Before starting the cleaning process, it's important to address any areas where loose particles are present on the surface. Use a grinder to carefully remove loose particles from the walls and floors. This step is crucial to ensure a solid, stable surface for the next stages of preparation. Vacuum cleaning. After grinding, thoroughly clean the surface using a vacuum cleaner. This step is essential to remove all dust and debris, ensuring that the surface is completely clean before applying any coating. Epoxy putty is an essential material for repairing and maintaining RCC structures. Its high adhesion, durability, and versatility make it an ideal choice for filling cracks, holes, and other types of damage. The ease of application, quick setting time, and seamless finish further enhance its appeal for both professionals and DIY users. Once the surface is thoroughly cleaned and all loose particles have been removed, the next critical step in the preparation process is applying the epoxy primer. First coat. To begin with, the epoxy primer is best applied using a spray machine. The choice of a spray machine is crucial because it allows the primer to be distributed evenly across the surface, reaching into every nook and cranny. Using a spray machine for the epoxy primer application has several advantages. The high-pressure spray allows the primer to penetrate deeply into the surface, which is essential for creating a strong bond between the substrate and the primer. This deep penetration is particularly beneficial for porous or uneven surfaces, as it helps the primer to fill in any minor imperfections. Additionally, spray application ensures that the primer is applied in a thin, consistent layer, which is ideal for promoting quick drying and strong adhesion. Once the first coat of epoxy primer is fully dry, it is time to apply the second coat. The second coat is not merely a repetition of the first. It serves an important purpose in reinforcing the initial layer and providing additional protection to the surface. The second coat helps to build up the primer layer, filling in any remaining imperfections and ensuring that the surface is fully covered and smooth. Apply second coat. The application of the second coat of epoxy primer should be carried out with the same level of care and precision as the first. Using the spray machine, apply the second coat in a consistent, even manner. This layer will further enhance the bonding properties of the primer, ensuring that the final paint finish adheres perfectly. The second coat also provides an additional layer of protection against moisture, chemicals, and other environmental factors that could potentially damage the surface. Final drying. As with a first coat, it is essential to allow the second coat of epoxy primer to dry completely before moving on to the final stages of the painting process. This final drying period is crucial for ensuring that the primer has fully cured and bonded with the surface. Rushing this step can compromise the quality of the final finish, so it is important to allow adequate time for the primer to dry thoroughly.